everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own custom stickers on Instagram using the app's built-in features. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed. Open Instagram and go to your chat section by tapping the paper plane icon at the top right of your screen. In the chat, tap on the sticker icon at the bottom to access the sticker library. From there, select the cutout sticker, which lets you turn any image into a custom sticker. You'll be prompted to choose an image from your phone's gallery. Pick the image you want to use for your sticker. Once your image is loaded, you have two options. The automatic cutout, which detects and cuts out the main shape of your image, or the manual tool, which allows you to trace around the object yourself for more precision. After cutting out your object, you can adjust its size, position, and rotation to fit your needs. When you're happy with how it looks, tap on Save Sticker. And that's it! You've just created your own custom Instagram sticker using the cutout feature. Feel free to share your stickers with me in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.